Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Smart Search Widget so you can create a smooth and seamless browsing experience for your shoppers. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Smart Search Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Theme Settings, then select Smart Search. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets, Smart Search. Once enabled, in Theme Settings, Smart Search here, you can customize all settings. Show Product Vendor. Turn this on if you want to display the brand or supplier name next to products in the search results. Show Product Price. Enable this option to show the product's price directly within the Instant Search Results dropdown. Result Limit. Adjust the number of products displayed in search results, with a maximum limit of 15. And that's it! Your Smart Search widget is all set up and customized. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme!